Hi, this is Pearson Education, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Ask the Publisher button in order to report a problem inside of my math lab or my stat lab that may not be correct or not accepting answers correctly. So there's a couple ways to do it. The first way, and the easiest way, is if your student decides to use the Ask the Instructor button, which is located right here in the Help section. If this is turned on, they can simply click the Ask My Instructor button, send you a link to the actual question that they're having an issue with, explain what the issue is, and then click Send. And then you would get an email in your in your email box showing the actual problem that the student is having a problem with or suspects there's an error in. When you click on that link, you automatically will now see the actual problem that the student is working on and decide whether or not the student has created the question correctly, or if there's an actual error. And if there is an actual error, then you can use the Ask the Publisher button right on the right hand side where the learning aids are, which is the same place that the students would have used the Ask the Instructor area. From here you would choose what type of error that you are trying to report, whether it's an answer evaluation or a calculation error. And once you do that, you can submit that, and that information will go directly to our development team, and they'll be able to see exactly what question it is, where it's coming from, what the actual issue is, and then respond to your inquiry. The second option, in order to use the Ask the Publisher button, is to go into your course, go into the assignment area, switch to the instructor side view, and you can search out the actual item number. You'll have to do this by creating a false assignment or copying an assignment that students have already worked in. So if we go to create an assignment, and let's say we were looking for exercise 1.1.1 or something like that. So you could just say test, go into the select media area, and then you would drill down using the navigational drop-down list here to find the actual problem. So if it's in 1.3, and let's say it's number 3, you click that open, and from here you'll be able to again access the Ask the Publisher button on the right hand side. And again, it would go through the same process where it would bring up information. You would then choose what kind of error it was, give us a little bit of feedback, and all of the information is directly sent to our development team. So those are the two main ways in order to use the Ask the Publisher button in order to report an issue with the problem or to get feedback on an actual problem. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.